Create a 5 minutes video for YouTube about this is a delicious, simple recipe, and scaling it for 2 people is straightforward. The key is the fried zucchini and the creamy emulsion created with cheese and pasta water. Here is a general guide for making spaghetti alla Nerano for 2 people, combining the best traditional techniques. Ingredients for 2 people: zucchini, 3 to 4 small medium zucchini, about 1 to 1.5 labes, 450 gran to 650 grai. Spaghetti, 6-8 oz, 170 grans to 225 grai. Oil for frying zucchini. Enough neutral oil, like canola or vegetable, or olive oil to generously coat the bottom of your pan, about 1 pinch and 2 cup or more. Garlic, 1 to 2 cloves, peeled, optional, but adds flavor. Cheese, 2 to 3 oz, about 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 cup. Grated cheese. Traditionally, Provolone del Monaco or Caciocavallo, but Pecorino Romano or a mix of Pecorino and Parmigiano-Reggiano are great substitutes. Basil, a handful of fresh basil leaves torn. Salt and black pepper. To taste. Extra virgin olive oil. For finishing, optional. Unsalted butter. A small knob, optional, helps with creaminess. Wash and trim the zucchini ends. Slice the zucchini into thin rounds, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. A mandolin is helpful for even slices, but a sharp knife works too. Fry the zucchini. Heat the frying oil in a large skillet over medium to medium-high heat. If using garlic, add the whole, peeled cloves to the oil and cook until fragrant and lightly golden. Remove and discard the garlic, or eat it. Working in batches to avoid crowding the pan, fry the zucchini slices until they are soft and golden brown on the edges, about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the fried zucchini to a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Immediately sprinkle the hot zucchini with a pinch of salt. Reserve about 1/4 of the fried zucchini for garnish. Start the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the spaghetti and cook until very al dente, about 2 to 3 minutes less than the package directions. Before draining, reserve about 1 to 1/2 cups of the starchy pasta cooking water. Drain the spaghetti. Create the sauce. Return the large skillet, wiped clean of excess oil, but with a little residual oil is fine, to a low heat. Take about half of the drained fried zucchini and place it in the skillet. Using a wooden spoon or spatula, mash some of the zucchini into a rough paste to help form the sauce. Add a ladle of the reserved pasta water to the mashed zucchini and bring it to a gentle simmer. Combine and emulsify. Add the very al dente spaghetti directly into the skillet with the zucchini mixture. Add the torn basil leaves and cook, tossing vigorously for 1-2 minutes until the pasta is coated and starting to reach al dente perfection. Turn off the heat. This is crucial to prevent the cheese from clumping. Add the grated cheese and the optional knob of cold butter. Toss vigorously and continuously. The residual heat, the pasta starch, the cheese, and the water will emulsify into a creamy, luscious sauce. Add more reserved pasta water, a splash at a time, until the sauce is glossy and coats the spaghetti beautifully. It should be fluid, not runny. Season with fresh black pepper and salt to taste. Remember, the cheese is salty. Serve. Transfer the spaghetti immediately to your serving bowls. Top each portion with the remaining reserved whole fried zucchini rounds. Garnish with extra grated cheese, a few small basil leaves, and a drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil if desired. Settings. Add any subtitle.